I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.
Yeah, people. Beer Vibes TV there again. Jamil, yeah, youth. One up. You see me I say, Starlight. Live without limit, you know what I mean? Yeah, we have to live without limit. I love the energy. Yeah, production team, big up on that one day. Yeah, I like the video. Clean, you know what I mean? 4K element. I like the transitioning, I like the timing, and then I like the clarity. I love the message where Jamila sent to the people, you know what I mean? So you just have to live without limit. Put in the best way you can put in. So watch this now, people. That little beamer, matte black there, in the drop. Yeah, man, I like it. I love it. Yeah? You have to go tell me what you think about it. If you don't see it yet, you need to go check it out. Live without limit. Jamila, Beer Vibes TV rep. So there again, we are taught the things then. Then we can see, say, the charge there in a big city. I don't know which city, I don't know. For New York, I don't know if I'm in Europe somewhere. Yeah? But I'm in a big city. Whole heap of people. I can see the atmosphere good. I can see them show them the love. And, you know, brand Jamaica. Jamaica, I take the scale in a every form and every art, you know what I mean? Entertainment scheme, even in the sport world, yeah, we are take the thing from a high level, you know? So, live without limit, one up from the Beer Vibes TV. Right, that's up. And then the closet, the thing well put together. The full black something there, warrior elements. So you're ready for the game, you're ready for the road, you're ready for the music business. You know, so you show dominance within the way you do. So Jamil, yeah, shout out you, to be a good music you do. Be a good music you put out there, motivate the youth them. And, you know, it's a great vibration. So people, I love your comment. Yeah, I love your, you know what I mean, I want to create that forum vibe. We need to talk to, we need to relate, you know, we need to communicate. Tell me if you agree with me. Zin, tell me if you agree with me. Because the video clean and nice. Yeah, the concept, alright. The storyline, alright. The transitioning, alright. You know what I mean? So, why you tell me if you... You know, I'm pleased with what me say. Me want to know, you know what I mean? Because me can't just say one whole heap of things and nobody not relate and I tell me what I go on. You have to tell me if you not agree. If you not find what me I say, you know what I mean, interesting prior to the topic. Because a long time I'm out there with the music, a long time I go through the struggle and, you know, elated to say a theme time, you know? So I'm a shine and I'm a outshine, you know what I mean, the normal levels. So, Jamil, right there, you know. You see me I say, and it's Beer Vibes TV, beer fun, beer tracks, beer things. Yeah man, and I'm out. So, it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Facts, Beer Vibes TV, and I'm out.
I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.